Hi everybody, Steve Foster here, 10th grade world history and 12th grade government teacher at Durango High School. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial for mainly students and parents as far as how to check your grades. I've already gone over this a couple times with students, but I know sometimes things get lost through translation and also just the course of the day. So just want to make sure we're all on the same page because I do all of my grading through Itslearning, and I'm only going to update its Infinite Campus on Fridays, which is when athletic eligibility, I think they check it on Mondays, so I go ahead and update on Friday, so it'll be ready for Monday. First of all, when you are going to a new screen here, as long as you're logged into Google, which you'll know that because your avatar is showing up with whatever it is for your school address, and this is mainly for students here, to get on Itslearning, just to remind you, you click on the app, Google app menu bar here, scroll all the way down, and find the Itslearning logo, and that'll get you onto Itslearning. One quick thing before we go into grades. Quick tip here, if you go to updates, it'll default to courses, which has all of your courses here. If you go to updates, it gives you a task list that has all of your follow-up tasks for all of your courses, not just for the one that you're in. So that way you know like what you need to do if you have multiple teachers that are using Itslearning. So just wanted to give that kind of quick tip there. I'm going to go into world history. And on my world history for grading here, the thing that I'd like to show you is once I go into world history, you're going to go into follow up and reports to be able to check your grade. So again, click on follow up and reports. And then from there, you're going to find where it says gradebook and select that. From there, it should show the grades of each individual assignment as well as your overall grade. So it'll have, for example, formative, which so far we've only had formative, so that's why it has formative. It will most likely, I set it to be able to show summative first because that is 65% of your grade. So once we have our first summative coming up here in a few weeks, that'll be the first grade that you see, and that'll obviously change your grade quite a bit, most likely, unless you already got 100 on everything and then you get 100 on the summative, which is what we were all hoping for, right? So the only things that you're going to want to check that may be where it might be not showing the right data is to check to make sure that the term is for semester 1, which is S1. And other than that, you want to have it view the score as percentage. So you're going to want to click on the percentage button, and then it should have your real-time score, which will be updated on Infinite Campus on Grade Portal on Friday. So if you're like thinking to yourself like, how come it's not saying the same thing on Infinite Campus Grade Portal as it is on Itslearning? That's why. It's because I only updated on Infinite Campus on Grade Portal every Friday. So if you turn in a bunch of stuff on Wednesday and you check your grades on Thursday, you're like, how come Foster hasn't updated it? That's why. So it will be updated on Friday. If for whatever reason you'd like to have me updated early, I will take those special requests as long as you just put it in writing into an email. Hey, Mr. Foster, can you please update my grades on Infinite Campus? My parents are giving me a hard time. I'll do that, but I promise you I'll get to it on Friday just to be able to not have that moving target. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, you can always email or use my Google Voice number, 970-403-5322. And other than that, have a great day. Bye.